Hello everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. Okay. Am I audible now? So, as I told you before that we are going to solve the question paper. So this is a complete question series of 45 questions of chemistry. Of course, this series is for the NEET 2026. Okay. So this particular series contain all the entire like all the syllabus of NEET 2026. Okay, so we will discuss that question and we also do the chapter wise, but in this we will go the like complete syllabus mock test. Okay, because it is the first series. We will continue like from tomorrow. We will start uh, exactly like from the 8 p.m. Okay, so this one is the first series. Now start from the question number like first, which is actually a question number 51. Okay, so the question number 51 says that which one is not a basic postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? Okay, so we have to classify like identify which is not. So we have to identify which is like incorrect according to Dalton's atomic theory. So first statement is atoms neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. This is the part of Dalton's atomic theory, and this is correct because this law explained by law of conservation of mass. So that is okay. Different elements have different types of atom. This is also a part of Dalton's atomic theory. Atoms of an element may be different due to presence of isotope. Okay, so till Dalton give their atomic theory, isotopes like it doesn't discover, then this is incorrect. Okay, and each element is composed of extremely small particle called atom. This is also correct. So we have to choose which is the incorrect. So the option number C is our correct option. Okay, option number C is our answer because uh, according to Dalton's like all the atoms of the same element is same. Okay, so this is like correct. Okay, now the question number 52, first read the question. So question say that a mixture of 2.3 gram of formic acid. So formic acid is SCOOH and the molecular weight of formic acid is 45. Okay. Then 4 point, okay, formic acid is 46. 4.5 gram of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is H2C2O4. The molecular weight of H2C2O4 is 90. Acid is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellet. Weight of the remaining product at STP. Okay, so we have to calculate the weight of remaining product at STP. Okay, so if I form the reaction, so whenever formic acid treated with sulfuric acid, it will give us carbon monoxide and H2. Okay, and then basically whenever H2C2O4 treated with sulfuric acid, it will give us CO2 plus H2O will and CO. Now, H2O and CO2 and H2O will react with KOH pellet. So the remaining product is CO. Okay. Now apply the stoichiometry. So 1 mole of formic acid give 1 mole of CO and 1 mole of oxalic acid also give a 1 mole of CO. Okay. So now we have to calculate the moles of formic acid. Okay, so given weight of formic acid is 2.3 and molecular weight of the formic acid is 46. So the value of moles here is 0.05. Okay, so here 0.05 mole of CO will form. Now, given weight of oxalic acid is 4.5 and the molecular weight of oxalic acid is 90, which is also equals to 0.05. So here also the value of CO is 0.05. So this A and this is the extra value of CO. The total value of extra CO is 0.05 plus 0.05, which is equals to 0.10. Now, if we know the moles, so weight is equals to moles multiplied by molecular mass. Okay. So weight is equals to moles. Moles is 0.1 and molecular mass is 28. So we get 2.8 gram of carbon monoxide. So option number C is correct. Okay. This is a kind of important question. So the answer of this question is 2 point. The answer of this question is 2.8. Okay. Now, if we talk about question number 53, okay, I hope you understood the question number 51 and 52. Okay, I'm just erasing this. Yeah. So the correct answer for this question is 2.8. Okay. Now, if we discuss question number 53, so 53 say that the angular momentum of an electron in a given orbit is g. Its kinetic energy. Okay. So the angular momentum and we have to calculate the kinetic energy. Okay. So the angular momentum L is equals to mvr. Okay. So V is equals to L by mr because angular momentum of an electron is um, technically here J. So we can say that V is equals to J by mr. Okay, m is the mass and r is the radius. Now, kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Okay, half mv square, and we know that V is equals to J by mr. So kinetic energy is equals to half into m into J by mr square. Okay, so we get half into j square upon m, 1m and 1m cut and r square. So half j square m by r square is the correct option. Okay, correct answer. Okay, this question is clear. Okay, now I will give you time also to solve the question. So read the question number 54. I will give you a minute to solve that question, or you can pause the video, but it is actually live. I hope so. In the next class, you will join the live session. So if we start like if you watching this on recording basis, so just pause the video and solve the question. Okay, so now next question is question number 54. Okay, so question is say that the orbital angular momentum of an electron revolving in an orbit is l plus 1 h by 2 pi. The momentum for an s electron will be given. Okay, so we have to calculate the momentum of s electron. Okay, now here angular momentum L is equals to, this is formula L plus 1 H by 2 pi. Okay. Now, L is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. Okay. For s electron, like orbital electron, the value of L for the s electron is 0, for the p electron is 1, for the d is 2, and for the f is 3. So the value of L for the s electron is 0, so it will be like 0. The correct answer is 0. Option number B is correct. The correct answer is 0. Option number B is correct. Okay. Okay. So, like this is kind of demo class. So we will continue this series in like tomorrow. Tomorrow we will start on the like exactly at 8 p.m. Okay, and we will do a 1 hour complete discussion of 45 questions. Thank you for watching.